So first thing first, you have to load the dataset. I've already loaded the dataset over here, as you can see on the right side column. Okay, so let's start our visualization by building horizontal bar chart first. Okay, so clicking on bar chart. So let's visualize top tracks. uh, for that we have to add total streams on x-axis and track name on y-axis. Okay, so it's taking a bit time. Yeah, so now we got our first visualization. So secondly, we're gonna do albums breakdown. So for that we gonna use column chart, a clustered one. So for that we have to put album in x-axis and total streams in y-axis. Okay, perfect. It's at some. Okay, and let's fastly move on to our third visualization, which is popularity by genre. For that we're gonna need column chart, 100% stacked one. Okay, so let's click on that. So let's add genre in x-axis and popularity score in y-axis. We're gonna have average of it. So as you can see, average of popularity score of Electropop is around 63.47% for Katy Perry, and for pop is 66.12, and for dance pop it's 74.55. Okay, so let's do our fourth visualization, which is going to be genre distribution. For that I'm going to use pie chart. Okay, so in the legend I'm going to add genre, and in the values I'm going to have track name. Okay, perfect. So this was our four visualizations. Okay, let's add KPI cards also. Let's add it. Okay, let's add it over here. Let's add daily streams. So it's 151 million daily streams. Okay, let's add another KPI card, which is total tracks. So I'm gonna go on track name. I'm gonna click count distinct. Okay, it's 51 tracks total. Let's add another KPI. So this is a beginner dashboard you can do all by yourself, creating dummy data set of your favorite artist. Okay, so let's do album. Let's click on count 7. Okay, so now add some visualization touch to our dashboard. Let's enhance this. Okay, so I've already selected a few templates, so I'm gonna use this one as a background image. So going on canvas background, clicking on browse. Okay, so let's select. Okay, I think it kind of look cool. Okay, so let's add some images. Okay, 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 nice. Now I make some more changes over here. uh, Album covers. you can add, like I'm adding. Okay, let's add more album cover. This one is better. Let's remove this, keeping it minimalistic and aesthetic at the same time. Okay, now adding another image. No, I don't think it's of any use. Just have an album cover. Okay, anything else we can add? We can add a Spotify logo. Hmm. Okay, uh, clicking on visualization tab. So let's enhance the visualization cards a bit to match up the background. Have light pink, increasing the transparency, switching on visual border, switching on shadow. Okay, I'm gonna have pink, I'm gonna have rounded corners, I'm gonna have pink, light pink. Okay, it looks kind of cool, I guess. Okay, clicking on effects, clicking on shadow, clicking on white. uh, yeah, it looks okay, I guess. Clicking on effects, clicking on visual border. Okay, increasing the width a bit. Let's see, how does it look? White. I think this looks okay. White. Let's go with white. Okay, and going on title, track name by genre, going on white, aligning it, bolding it, uh, changing the font to Arial black. Okay, nice. So let's going to visuals, switch off detail labeling, going to legends, going to title, switching off title, going to slices, going to color, changing the color as per the background. uh, no, that's way too dark. Okay, that's okay. Going to Electropop, going to light pink, going to dance pop. uh, this one's okay. Okay, now similarly with this, we're gonna go to x-axis, switch off title, switching out white. Let's change the effects to pink, increasing the transparency, switching off visual border, making it white, making it white. 1, 2x, 3x, 4x, let's have 5x. Total streams by album, streams by album, switching on font, switching on white, keeping it bold, keeping it centered, going to visual, going to y-axis, switching off title, clicking on values, clicking on white. Okay, I guess. And then of course the color of the columns, uh, making it light pinkish. No, let's make it dark first, then decrease the transparency. Okay, similarly with this, dark first, then decrease the transparency. Okay, and of course title off, keeping it white, keeping it Arial black, keeping it bold, keeping it white. Okay, switch off the title, keeping it white, keeping it, we'll see that later on, although it's currently not visible. Okay, now going to general, going to effect, going to pink, increasing the transparency. I selected the darker version of pink, so that's why I increased the transparency over here. So going to white, 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x. Okay, switching on shadow, switching on white, keeping it bold, keeping it Arial black, streams by track, keeping it white, keeping it aligned. Let's remove the total thing and keep it more aligned. So going over here, it's white. We'll do that later on. Let's okay, switching on visual border, switching on white, 30x. Let's do 1, 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x. Perfect. Switching on shadow, switching on white. Okay, let's keep it bold, keep it Arial black, popularity by genre. That's more clean. Keeping it in the center. Now going to the visual, keeping it white, switching off title, switching off title. Okay, no, make it darker. Okay, perfect. Now do these with the cards as well. Go to general, go to effects, go to pink. Okay, and then click on visual border, click on white, as many rounded corners as possible, click on shadow, click on white, click on title, going to visual, remove category labels, daily streams, keeping it white or keeping it dark pink. I think let's have a bit lighter version of pink, keeping it aligned, keeping it bold, keeping it Arial black. Perfect. So now coming to callout value, keeping it white, keeping it bold, keeping it Arial black. Perfect. So yeah, So is it good? So I think I forgot to increase the width. Go to over here, 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x. Okay, uh, let's do one thing. Let's copy it. A bit lesser. Yeah, it's kind of okay. Track name. Remove it. Copy it. Paste it. Align it. What's going to have? Track name. Now what we're gonna do? Count distinct. Perfect. Count of the album. Remove it. Oh, sorry. So yeah, click over here, remove it, copy it, paste it. Album. Count distinct. Perfect. So this is our dashboard. As you can see, it turned out to be a bit beautiful, but you can enhance it more. So this is a perfect dashboard for beginners. Okay, so you can practice on similar dashboard, uh, visualizing statistics of your favorite musician. See you in the next tutorial.